All we got to worry about is the 8,000 paparazzi taking pictures of you. And there will be. There always is, especially toward the weekends. There's 3 or 4 groups that set up on the side of the road and take pictures, and then you can go back to their website and buy them later, which is really cool. A lot of them take good pictures. I don't really have a preference for one over the other. What we might do is just look through all of them and see who took the best pictures of the little scram here and buy one just to put it on the wall of awesome. There's Killboy. Oh, 129slayer.com. There's another guy taking pictures. He's getting my other side. I don't like that side as much. It ain't got the exhaust on it. But he did just catch me scraping the damn foot pegs. Sorry about that. I don't want to be one of those guys that ends up wrecking in front of the camera, because you always get put on the internet then. Be like, ooh, big scrambler looking good. And then the next thing you know, ooh, big scrambler's on his ass on the ground because he was playing too much for the cameras. Photographer groups, I knew we'd see them. 129 photos. Get my good side, bro. And as a point of pride, I'm just going to point out nobody's caught up with me yet. I always like that too. Always makes you feel good when people don't catch up with you and you don't have to use the turnoffs. I will point out that I've never actually been passed by a cruiser. Hey, look, it's Killboy. That's the original guy there. You're on the wrong side, you're not getting my bikes. If you don't understand that reference, I'm on the Scrambler, which has the high mount exhaust on the right side because it looks cool. There's another one. Same group, 129photos.com. Take my picture, bro. Thank you. There's another photography glitch. Who's this? 129 photos. So we have 129 photos, 129 Slayer, Killboy. So there's 3 groups that we've seen. Like, man, I'm really hauling the ass. Look at this, I'm flying. And you look in your rearview mirror and there'll be some freaking super motard or a freaking Grom or some kind of, ZX10 or something all over your ass out of nowhere. It's Killboy. He should get some good pictures there. Hello, goodbye. Thanks for the memories.